Important routine activities for self-improvement. The most significant person in your life is you. Therefore, it's vital to give yourself some time. But, how can you ensure that you're developing and learning every day? However, for self-improvement in your life or yourself doesn't require one major step. Generally, it comes down to the daily little routine tasks you can do each day that, over time, might build up to more significant improvement. Here are a few activities that will help you for self-improvement and personal growth. Keeping your health as a top priority every day. One of the best things you can do for yourself is to take care of your health. It can raise your energy levels, make you feel better, and enhance your general quality of life. Start your day early and get enough sleep. Start your day early always enhances both your productivity and quality of life. You'll have more time to devote to self-improvement when you get up earlier than other people. Your day will lengthen, you'll enjoy the peace and quiet of the early hours, and the sunlight will stimulate your brain to go into active mode. Similarly, at least 7 to 8 hours quality sleep is important for mind and body health. Develop the daily practice of mindfulness and meditation. The daily routine of pressure and bustling of life can easily control by spending a short period of time each day in meditation. It can help you reduce stress and develop physical and mental awareness. Establish small goals. Establish timelines and small daily goals for yourself so you can monitor your progress. Your motivation to keep going toward your goal will increase with how well you can see where you want to go. Make advance plan. Self-improvement always begins with a plan. Please make plan for your goals for the upcoming days, weeks, or months. Maintaining a notebook or diary can also assist you in identifying your strengths and areas for improvement. Move outside of your comfort zone. Determine the boundaries of your comfort zone and how to start gradually moving outside of it. True growth requires effort and a lot of work. Being overly comfortable leads us to stagnate instead of progress. Do new activities in life. Try new things in life like interesting hobbies, cooking, traveling, sports, outing, reading books. New friends and new challenges which surely will improve your standards in life. Never complain. Never waste a moment of your life expressing grievances. Complaints don't solve problems, instead, often increase it. In place of complaining about problem of lives, it's better to be more focused on efforts and hard work. Always try find happiness in little things. Happiness is often found in the small things. You must slow down and give those little pleasures in life. Try to spend time to be alone with you and be grateful of your life every day. Live in the moment. Be present in the moment. If you're not balancing your future and ideas with living in the now, this might become a negative habit. Monitor yourself. You can keep focus on positive things by taking some time each week to think about your accomplishments. Keep in connect with old friend and social network. Time which you shared with an old friend can bring back fond memories, exciting experiences, and the close relationships you built during old struggling and hard time. High real happiness is always correlated with greater feelings of old social connection. It might be challenging to know where to begin when it comes to self-improvement of yourself. Your daily routine will be changed by the advices which have shared with you. To maintain long-term momentum, you can start slowly with small changes and increase it gradually. Thank you.